Hey guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. Today we'll create something a little Celtic-y, I think, because I now in the mood of making little components, back to the components era. And when you work with copper and different sizes of the mandrel, you can create different component even though it's the same concept. So you can make them like large size for your necklaces or something. This could be a part of your bracelet if you wanted to, or you can make them very delicate, like that's the same thing but very delicate, and I like it. It's like it looks very Celtic, don't you think so? So this will be a part of the earrings. So I made one with larger, so I used this, my bail maker plier, the smallest one, but the loop's still big, and I like that size. And that one that I just show you, it's created on my round nose pliers on the tiniest part here. So let's get started to make some components like this. This will be a part of the earring. I still didn't finish it, but that will be earrings. And I think you can also use them in your necklaces. Looks so cool. It still needs to go in a layer of silver, of course, and polish it. So that's what we will make. This looks silly before you torch them. You do need your torch to make it that little ends on sides. And my jewelry always organic. I never make them identical from both sides. Even these two earrings, they're not identically those elements, but I like organic. If you guys perfectionists, you can cut wire exactly same and use the torch so it will be identical. Never strike for identical. Even if I burn like this one, it's melted into the component, I still will use that one. I love it. I love when it's imperfect. I like when it's perfectly imperfect. That's one of the quotes I always liked and still love it. So yeah, let's make some components like that. So my wire is long. I won't cut. I will go from make continuously using this wire, so that way I have less waste. So little piece, like about, it's not very long. Let's see what we need. So let's do 1.5 will be too much because we're making maybe 1.5. Let's do 1.5. And I will use tip of my pliers and just go around like that. So you're supposed to have complete wrap here. And then we will do our, on the side, do you see how you leave a little room? Don't be afraid if you ideally you don't want to steal from that loop, so you want to have enough wire for making the other one. So what I do is I just go around like this. So what we want to have one loop on the top, second one, and the wire go on the back. You see the wire go on the back, and we go the same here, but make sure your wire is going on the back. Don't be afraid. If you see now when I pull it, I took some wire from my original one, so because of the camera I might have a difficulty to film that. Maybe not, let's see. So yeah, so make sure you don't steal from that component thing. Okay, looks silly for now, right? But that's what we need. We need the 3 loops, and I like to cross these guys just like that, just to cross it. And now we will do in reverse on the other side, which is, so we have a little room here. And that's why pliers you have to put a little bit higher, not right away there where we cross. And we go for the first one. Then you tick a little bit, so they are like this. Now the wire is on top. Make sure you don't steal the wire from your loop. Second. And see how the wire is on top here? So we wanted the third one making so the wire will go on top again. So we did just what we do is like this, and the wire will be here. Do you know what I mean? Like, look, so the wire goes there and the same will here. And then you just push it a little bit slowly to the place. The only thing is I like to, this wire go underneath, gently bring it. You can also hold it here and gently bring it right on the other side. So we will have one end here and one end coming from there. That's it. And we cut, I cut my component, I cut so like something like that. So it's not, depends how much you use for your torch, but see, it's just when your loop is right there, I just left little piece, just a little piece like that. Yep, that's it. And now will be time to use our torch. I won't use torch right now, but you get idea. So you use your torch from both sides and it will create your bubbles like these. And after it's heated, you guys can nicely make these loops as equal as possible if you wanted to. You can easily, after it's like you use heat, then you just go with the pliers and you try to, if you wanted to, perfect. Mine never perfect. See how it's like, that's the one that melt. I never strike for perfection, but you can slowly play with the pliers and put them back to the how you want it. And when you feel like this component is good enough, you just hammer. You can hammer with a rubber mallet first and then with a normal hammer. I did with a rubber mallet to set that down, and then I use my normal hammer. And I think, you know, the making delicate component, it's useful in your work. So you can create, because it's not heavy, this component, it's not heavy at all, because you can use light wire. You don't have to use very thick wire for that, and it will hold the shape. And you can create beautiful earrings. Could be a part of your necklace, could be a part of your charms for the bracelets, you name it. So I hope, guys, you will create these tiny guys, and you can scale up. You can, I don't know if I like large ones. Let me know what you think. But larger can be in the necklaces also, or bracelets. Maybe part of the, I don't know. I'm still thinking what I will use, but I like them. Let me know what you guys think. That's all for today. I know I missed 2 Tuesdays. It's crazy. I have a little problem with my wrist, so I'm just trying not to really wire wrap, but it's hard not to. So today you can tell I wire wrap because my nails look horrible. I always have a problem with the nails when I start wire wrapping. So there you go. So I will wait for your comments and see what you think. I hope you guys enjoy it, and see you next Tuesday with something cool. Stay healthy and see you next week. Bye-bye, bye-bye.